gonna do my makeup today with just drugstore makeup. It's always so weird doing your makeup after you've been sick for so long. Let's just see how it goes. And I have some Judge Juicy in the background. I have caught up every single episode of Judge Matters and People's Court. Let me know if you guys are into judge shows, court shows rather than stories. I don't really like the L'Oreal Infallible Primer because I just feel it doesn't really do what it's supposed to do, whole grip or pore blurring. But this counts as drugstore, so I'm gonna use this just for the purpose of this video. For foundation, I have quite a few. I have the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Way. I have the LA Girl Pro Carbon and the Girl Pro Matte, and lastly Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I choose this one, the Pro Matte, because I think this is closer to my skin tone if I'm not mistaken. Ever since I was on Accutane and off, I would say. I don't know what my skin tone is, so I've just been buying different foundations to try to figure it out. And I don't like asking for help because normally they match me wrong whenever I ask for help, so I rather struggle. And also, so I don't waste them, I just end up like mixing it up. Like I'll always get a darker foundation and then I'll mix it to the tone that I feel matches. And if it's too light, I'm gonna mix it with the Adigo Pro Coverage. I don't know who told me to put my makeup brushes in the dishwasher, thinking could run away from washing all my makeup brushes by hand. But this is what happens when you try to put it in the dishwasher. Like it peels. It's gonna be too light. I just put a little bit and I'm gonna mix it with other Adigo. Then I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Brow Gel and my Michelle Ori Paris waterproof liquid liner. So it's liquid liner, but I like the precision of the brush, so I use this as eyebrow pencil. And then I'm gonna use the Maybelline multi-use concealer. I like this shade because I feel like it's closer to my skin tone and it doesn't do that dramatic outline brows. And I'm gonna use to contour and conceal Fashion Labs Instant Cover and the Maybelline eraser. I'm gonna use these two to contour, and for concealer I'm gonna use the smudge for under my eyes, that is. I can't even talk. I'm gonna use smudge perfecting concealer for the rest of my eyes. I don't like this one because it's very watery and I don't like watery concealer because it just takes long to dry. While that dries up, I'm gonna do my eyes. I just realized that I was not recording this whole time. You see what happens when you haven't recorded for so long. But anyways, I used my what is this, Makeup Revolution Tropical Paradise palette. I'm gonna show you because, well, you guys saw a little bit. Basically it's covered with, the cover's covered with eyelash lash glue, so you don't need to see. I use that for my eyeshadow, blended the contour and the concealer, and I'm gonna move on to powder. I absolutely love this powder, so I'm gonna be using the matte Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. And then to go over the contour, I'm gonna be using my Yardley Oatmeal Press powder. For blush, I'm gonna use the Beauty Treats Rose Gold Nudes, and again, you don't have to see the lid of this because it's covered with lash glue. That looks so pretty. For highlights, I'm gonna use the Adult Girl Sunset Sensation highlighting palette, and I'm gonna use, I think last one. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Les Chocolat Ultra Matte Lipstick as liner. And then I'm going to use Go Lumilicious Lip Gloss and mix that with Maybelline Lifter Gloss.